back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this protective style that I have on. Very simple. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this hairstyle, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. Do subscribe to my channel if you find my videos interesting, and do share with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So I want to do a very simple protective style. I'll be using this Marley hair, reggae Marley Twist. This one, it's like this in a pack. I bought this since last year, 2 packs. Gold. I didn't see the black when I went to the shop, so I really don't know what to do with the hair. The last time I wanted to use it, I stopped. I changed my mind, so this is it. The other pack, I did cut it into 2 because let me show you the full length of it. When you open the pack, it's like this inside. Like this inside, so I divided it into two here to have this one here. So I did section my hair here. I plaited this because I don't want to braid my hair at the side here, since my edges have been so scanty these days. So I did plaited about 4 flat twists here to avoid plaiting my front hair, like so. I did it on the other side, same. And to make my work easier, I already sectioned the fronts the way I'll be plaiting it. Like, can you see? I want it bigger, so I separated them into twists. So I'll begin with the front section. I'll just put this away. So I'm going to try this one first. I'll just unravel. And then get 2 of the braids, like so. I'm just combing the ends of the hair. So here is the look of the hair, the front, the side, the other side, and the back. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you did enjoy the tutorial. Subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.